Today we're going to make an autumn spiced mocha coffee to get you through the cold autumn weather. It's a coffee with spices that not only taste good, but also has an extra punch of warmth with the cayenne peppers. For this recipe we will use Arabica beans that are city roasted. With the city roast you end up with developed beans with a lot of flavor and characteristics. This ensures that there's still a coffee taste present despite the heavy cream and spices in the recipe. The first step for this recipe is mixing all the spices together into one cohesive mix. Once the ingredients are all mixed, you can go to the next step. The second step for this recipe is making your coffee base. For this recipe you can use a double espresso or a strong coffee to make sure that the coffee taste still remains present in the drink. In this case we use a double espresso. However, it all depends on your own preference, the beans you use and the roast style of your coffee. The third step is mixing the spice mix with the coffee. Add around 20 ml of hot water and then gently stir the coffee. The final step is to add the heavy cream. Depending on your liking, you can vary the amount of heavy cream you add. We keep it to a 2:1 ratio, so a double espresso and 1 shot of heavy cream. As a finishing touch, you can sprinkle some of the spice mix on top of the coffee for a little bit of that eye candy. And that's it. Enjoy the autumn spice mocha coffee through this chilly season.